Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start the new topics that is joint venture. First we have to know what is joint venture. Joint means doing something that is done together, and venture means it is a business. So basically joint venture means doing some business together is called joint venture. Next, meaning of joint venture. Meaning of joint venture is when two or more persons join together to carry out a specific business and share profits on predetermined purpose is known as joint venture. It is the meaning of a joint venture. Features of joint venture. Features of joint venture are two or more persons are needed to form the joint venture. Joint venture business may not have a specific name. It is temporary in nature. The co-venturers share the profit and loss in the agreed ratio equally. It means two or more persons are needed to join the joint venture. And the joint venture may not have a specific name, and it is temporary in nature because joint venture is formed in the temporary nature. Next, the co-venture share the profit and losses in the equally ratio or agreed ratio. Next, meaning of a co-venture. In the joint venture, the parties to the agreement is known as co-venturer. Next, meaning of co-venture account. It is a personal account debited with the sales made by the co-venturer and the goods taken by him, and is credited with the assets given by him to the venture and expense made by him. Now let's understand the concept of a joint venture by an example. Let's take an example: person A and person B. They both are builders by their profession. They both are builders by their profession. And A is working in Shantinagar. And person B is working in Vidyanagar. And they both are invested rupees 20 crore of each. Now they both are doing the business by separately, and he has rupees 20 crore and he has rupees 20 crore. And he is busy in his work, like doing his construction house, hospital, and a school. And he is also busy in his work, like construction, building, school, and etc. Now, person A read the tender in the newspaper. What is tender? Now, what is tender? Tender means it is an invitation given by the government to the company to undertake the project to the builders. It is known as tender. The government has given the tender of rupees 40 crore. And person A read the newspaper, and in the newspaper tender was given. He is become more interested, and he has rupees 20 crore only. And he go to the person B and ask to join this project. And now they both are becoming co-venturer. Now they both are became a co-venture. It is a temporary partnership. It is temporary. Next, the members of the joint venture is known as co-venturer. Now they both are sharing the profits and losses on the agreed ratio or equally. They both are sharing the profit and losses on the agreed ratio are 1:1. You will see the difference between the joint venture and the partnership. basis joint venture and the partnership. Nature. It comes to end after a particular venture. It is temporary in nature and it is a continuous process. Name of the entity. In the joint venture, we don't have the particular name. And in the partnership, we have the distinct firm name. The parties in the joint venture are known as co-venture, and here we are called as the partners. And the duration of a joint venture is 1 to 2 years, and the duration of a partnership is 20 to 30 years. And next, Governing Act. The Governing Act. In the joint venture, it has no specific act, and in the partnership, Indian Partnership Act 1932. And next, liability. The joint venture has a limited liability, and the partnership has an unlimited liability. Next, number of members. The minimum numbers of in the joint venture are 2 and maximum no limit. And in the partnership, minimum is 2 and maximum 10 in the banking and 20 in the others. Next, we will see the methods of accounting treatments. There are 3 methods of accounting treatments. They are separate set of books, and in the books of the co-venture, and the memorandum method. In the separate set of books, we have the separate accountant to maintain the books, and he have to maintain 3 accounts. They are joint venture account, co-venture account, and the joint bank account. Joint venture account, it is like a trading account or a P&L account. Next, co-venture account is like a balance sheet, and it is the bank account. And as in the books of the co-venture, we have to prepare joint venture account. It is also like a profit and loss account or a trading account. And other venture account. Other venture account means if the person A is preparing the book, he have to prepare the book of B and C. And C, when C is preparing book, he have to prepare book of A and B. And next, memorandum method. In the memorandum method, we have memorandum joint account and the joint account with the joint venture account with the co-venture account. That's all for today's class. And in the upcoming videos, we are going to solve the problems of a joint venture account. In the upcoming days, we have some excited videos to come. So please like, share and subscribe my video.